What the fuck? Another one from Mobile.
p.m. Central Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm was located 4 miles southwest of Groveville, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, ping pong ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated, air. People and animals outdoors will be in. The government expects hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Groveville, Peterman, Wortley, Friedenberg, and Fulton. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Wilcox, Alabama. The National Weather Service in Mobile has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Monroe County, northeastern Clark County, and southwestern Alabama, southwestern Wilcox County, until 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
Well, okay. Just got another one from Mobile.